If you're a filmmaker on a budget, you're likely searching for a cinema camera that offers exceptional quality without a hefty price tag. Fortunately, you're in the right place. Today, we will explore the 7 best budget-friendly cinema cameras for 2025. We'll evaluate their performance, features, and overall value. Keep watching. Very first on our list is the PANASONIC LUMIX GH52, a top budget cinema camera for 2025. This micro 4/3 camera features an updated Venus engine, allowing 10-bit 4K capture at 60 FPS without cropping for vibrant cinematic footage. The inclusion of V-Log-L as standard unlocks up to 12 stops of dynamic range, ensuring flexibility in post-production. Dual 5-axis image stabilization, now rated at 6.5 stops, makes handheld shooting remarkably smooth, even in challenging conditions. The GH52 also excels in connectivity, offering Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless remote control and live streaming up to 1080p via the LUMIX Sync app. The GH52 offers improved autofocus with body and animal detection, but still uses contrast-based DFD technology, which may not meet high-end needs. Its compact design and compatibility with old and new Panasonic batteries enhance practicality for extended shoots. Despite a smaller 3-inch screen and modest upgrades from the GH5, the GH52 is a solid choice. Next, the Canon EOS R7 solidified its position as one of the best budget cinema cameras for 2025. Built around a 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and powered by Canon's Digis X processor, this camera is ideal for filmmakers and photographers on a budget. Its standout features include oversampled 4K video up to 30 FPS for exceptional clarity, C-Log support for flexible color grading, and in body image stabilization rated up to 7 stops, enabling smooth handheld shooting even in challenging conditions. The fast autofocus system, borrowed from the high-end EOS R3, ensures reliable subject tracking, making it perfect for dynamic scenes. Despite its advantages, the lack of native APS-C RF lenses and the absence of 4K at 120 FPS recording might deter some creators. However, its fast burst shooting, dual UHS-2 SD slots, and robust build with weather sealing make it a phenomenal choice in its price range. With an impressive balance between performance and affordability, the Sony ZV-E10 II, hailed as one of the best budget cinema cameras for 2025, is an excellent choice for creators seeking high-quality video capabilities at a reasonable price. This second-generation APS-C vlogging camera introduces a 26-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, significantly enhancing image quality and low-light performance. It supports 4K video recording at up to 30p without cropping and 4K at 60p with a minimal 1.1x crop, delivering crisp footage suitable for cinematic projects. Features like 10-bit video capture, S-Cinetone color profile, and the ability to import LUTs provide creators with substantial flexibility in post-production. Its compact design, flip-out screen, and reliable autofocus make it ideal for solo content creators. The absence of 4K 1:20 recording and slow in-camera charging, which may affect usability for fast-paced shoots. The Panasonic LUMIX DMC LX10, known as the LX15 outside of North America, is a strong contender in the compact camera market. This camera merges portability with impressive performance, featuring a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor and a versatile 24 to 72 mm micro 4/3 2.8 lens that delivers exceptional image quality for cinematic projects. With its ability to record in 4K UHD and its unique 4K photo modes, it stands out as an excellent option for content creators seeking sharp and dynamic visuals. The compact metal body includes a responsive touchscreen that flips 180 degrees, making it ideal for vlogging and selfies. However, the LX10 does have some drawbacks. While its portable design is a plus, the absence of an electronic viewfinder, limited RAW buffer, and slow startup time may deter some professionals. Despite these issues, the LX10 offers impressive performance, usability, and affordability, providing remarkable value for its price. By offering a feature-rich experience that caters to both filmmakers and photographers, the FUJIFILM X-T4 secures its position as one of the best budget cinema cameras for 2025. Equipped with a 26.1 MP back-illuminated APS-C sensor, the X-T4 delivers excellent image quality and performs well in low light conditions. Its standout feature is the in-body image stabilization, which provides up to 6.5 stops of correction, making it ideal for handheld filmmaking without the need for a gimbal. The camera supports 4K DCI UHD recording at 60 FPS, features 10-bit internal recording, and offers 240 FPS Full HD slow motion, providing versatile creative options. The fully articulated touchscreen, dual UHS 2 card slots, and improved autofocus enhance its reliability as a hybrid tool. However, potential buyers might be deterred by the lack of cutting-edge autofocus technology and the price point. Despite this, the lightweight design, traditional controls, and robust build quality make it a top choice. The BLACKMAGIC Pocket Cinema Camera 4K is another top contender of the best budget cinema cameras for 2025, offering professional-grade features in a compact and affordable design. With a 4x3 sensor, it captures stunning 4K DCI resolution, making it an excellent choice for independent filmmakers and students. The camera comes with DaVinci Resolve software, which helps reduce post-production costs, enabling users to start professional editing right out of the box. However, it does have some limitations. The battery life lasts only 60 minutes, and it lacks in body stabilization, which may require additional gear for longer shoots or handheld use. Despite these drawbacks, its lightweight design, numerous connectivity options, and exceptional value make it an unbeatable choice for creators looking to enhance their cinematic projects. Last but not least, the Nikon Z6 III positions itself in this list, offering a stellar balance of performance and price for hybrid shooters. Its 24MP partially stacked CMOS sensor enhances autofocus and video capture. It boasts impressive video capabilities, including 6K at 60p RAW and 6K at 30p ProRes RAW, alongside 5.4K at 60p H.265 for more accessible workflows. For stills, the Z6 III delivers blackout-free continuous shooting at up to 20 FPS in electronic shutter mode and features an 8-stop in-body image stabilization system for unmatched versatility. Notable additions like a full-size HDMI port, Nikon's new imaging cloud for automatic backups, and an ultra-bright EVF make it a compelling choice for creators. However, it still uses a 24MP resolution, which might not satisfy those needing ultra-high resolution imagery. That concludes our list of the 7 best budget cinema cameras for 2025. We hope this video helps you find the right camera for your creative projects. Do subscribe if you found this video helpful so you won't miss our latest gear reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.